Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? This is part 2 of the Canyon Ridge series job, where we have an 18 by 7/6 design 12 with arch 3, double arch 3 top windows, and then the smaller door is the 38, model 38, and this is walnut. We figured that out. It's walnut finish, and the sun's not out, so I'm able to do, you could see that like a million times better. So sorry about the other video, but that's that door. And then this door here, you can see here's the old one. Here's some of the problems they were having, is the delamination all over the place, and we got new ones in. They look awesome. Urethane insulated top windows, walnut overlay on the flush walnut urethane section, 2 inches thick urethane. Obviously we're hooked up to the old 8550. We just got this glass panel up. This was an absolute beast of a section, 24 inches tall, 18 feet, strut, insulated windows. My back is cashed. Here's how the inside looks. It's nice and white. You can always tell the urethane model from the ribs. The standard flush polystyrene don't have the ribs on it. There it is on the inside. Clear windows. Looks awesome. Huge springs. 15R. We oiled this. There's a bunch of rollers bad too. Someone else put this one in. There's a couple of rollers. That one's bad. That one's bad. That hinge is bad. There it is. The Canyon Ridge job. Awesome looking garage, awesome looking house. The roof's awesome. This place is really cool. That door looks sweet, man. Good looking door. If you can get them, get them. I don't know why they did 2 different designs here, but whatever. Canyon Ridge urethane insulated window door, design 12, arch 3 windows, double arch. For all your door needs, innovative. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. We'll like you anyways. Drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe, ask a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thanks for watching our Canyon Ridge doors video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.